Hey, welcome back to another video. This week's video, as you can see from the title, it's going to be talking about Icon Cosmetics by Lisa Wallace. It's her launch party that I went to. It was not only for me. I went because it was a fellow entrepreneur, and then it's of course makeup, and you know I make it do what it do. I review makeup, and it's not every day that I get to actually go to a launch party or go and try another Bahamian woman or Bahamian on the whole makeup product. So I found it exciting and I just went to see how it was, and I actually had a good time. Now I got an eyeshadow palette, face powder, foundation, and a liquid lipstick from her launch party, and this is actually the face that I did with them. I'm gonna link that either in the video or in the description box where you can watch me do this and talk about the products in depth. This video is just to show you what happened that night, get you more familiar with the products, and show you how they look, all of that good stuff. So without further ado, here's the video, guys. Okay, so as you can see, that was the video. This was actually my first launch party attending, so I had fun. I hope to do many more of these in the future because I'm actually transitioning into that type of scene, going places and reviewing products and launch parties and all of that good stuff. Like I said earlier, I would have the link to this makeup look in the description or somewhere in the video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to be you because nobody else can. And don't go broke pop styling for these niggas. Bye. Eagle double G.